Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn how to create a text document using Microsoft Office Word. So first, we will start with our Start button. Now under the Start button, you will see a button that says All Apps. We're going to select that so that we can go through our programs and look for Microsoft Office 2013. And here are just all of the different programs that Microsoft Office can run. But we're going to select Word 2013. Now let's select a blank document because we're just going to be typing a short quote. Alright, there is our quote. Now there are a bunch of different features that Microsoft Word has. I'm not going to go into all of them today because we will learn about them later on this week. However, for right now, I will show you how to change the font and the color of the font. Now in order to change the font, once we've already typed, you will click and drag the cursor to the end of our quote here. And then we'll go up to this bar where it says Times New Roman, and let's change it to Algerian. As you can see, it's still all highlighted. All of our quote is still highlighted, so that means that we can still edit it. So we're going to now go to this little A with the color underneath it. It says font color. We're going to click on the A. If we click on the A, it will turn it red. But if we click on the little drop down arrow next to it, let's change it to a nice medium green color. So as you can see, our text is now in the Algerian font and it's in a nice green color. And I like this perfectly as it is right now. So what I'm going to do is go over here to the File tab and I'm going to save it as a document. Now I'm going to choose computer just so I can easily find it on my desktop. Double click on desktop to open it and we will name it Education 240 Instructional Video. Then click Save. As you can see, it says Word is saving instructional video. Now let's close it. And as you can see here, we can find it very easily on our desktop. We'll double click to open it because I feel like making a few changes. So here's our quote again in the nice Algerian font with the green color, but I kind of want to put it back to what it originally was. So I'm going to go back to the font drop down and change it back to Times New Roman. And as you can see, it's still highlighted. So I'm going to click the drop down arrow next to the font color and I'm just going to select the automatic black. And now we're back to the original Times New Roman with the automatic black font color. And I'm going to use the save. I'm going to save my updates to my document. And I'm going to close it out because I'm done with it now. So now you know how to make a text document using Microsoft Office Word. Have a great day, everybody!